Siya Fried Plug Podcast. Lapho sikhona lapha esikhame covering the event okubizwa ngokuthiwa i-Midnight Watch. And asikho sodwa ke sihamba noMakhiwa TV. It's a collaboration, Smonis.
Definitely, it is a collaboration. Sikhona Midnight Watchers. It's where we are. Royal Blue, from an all-white to Royal Blue, representing royalty. Saying it loyalty, but the royalty does go with
Loyalty.
That's how it goes. But yeah, it is a beautiful event. Esigiona sizoplug abantu base-Vryheid. In as much as it's open to everybody, but it's dominated by abantu besifazane. But yeah, it's a beautiful night and let people be plugged.
It is what it is. So what we are gonna do is sizothatha it's just few clips abantu abakhona in attendance namhlanje and hear from them what it means for them to be here, and also how was the service ngoba we are recording after the service asifana sekuqaleni because we couldn't get abantu abaningi ekuqaleni, and this time we are doing it differently.
Yes, no, definitely we're gonna call abantu ke ukuze besikwazi ukuthi sithole ukuthi ke umuzo wabo ubunjani throughout the event, and also to get ukuthi ke nabahlelayo lawo mcimbi ukuthi ke from here where are we going to.
Injalo nje kodwa before we go any further ngiyacela uye lapha ku Facebook on all social media platforms ufike uthi nje Makhiwa TV bese uthi Fried Plug Podcast, uchofe nje like nkosi yami, uchofe nje subscribe nkosi yami yoba wenza into enkulu kakhulu. So we are going to get them as they are coming out njengamanje. Njengoba ngishilo ke bafowethu ukuthi I'm bringing you people who have attended today's event, Midnight Watches, and lapha duze kwami nkosi yami the most prominent artist akhona la eVryheid. Nkosi yami nisebenzile nkosi yami Bhutusiya.
uThixo ubehlile la, angiyazi inkonzo enjena mina efikele insizwa lela gili imanga ke egcineni esedumisa ezokwathula umama bezoshumayela umama Mtshali hayi bekufiwa sisi bekufiwa.
Hayibo usho wena ngiyazi nawe uzosho yena.
Nami ngizosho yena nje ukuthi siyikhiphe yonke imali ebesinayo kuthiwa sonikela ngithi ngiphethe u10 rand kwathi angiyesikhwameni futhi phinde ngikhiphe. Siyabonga kakhulu Bhutusiya, siyabonga kakhulu anqabile ama-artist kanjena ukuthi supporta kukancane, but we thank God ukuthi thina uNkulunkulu usasihambilisha and we are humbled and we are working together ukuthi siphakamisane in the future.
And lithi uNkulunkulu uyamphakamisa umuntu uma engayiphakamisi yena. What can you say nje kuma artist Bhutusiya abafuna mhlawumbe uku-invite waqala before beze entweni ekanje?
Ya mina engakusho nje ukubona ngigcizelela abafunde ukuhlonipha. Yabona into kaNkulunkulu iyahlonishwa ukuze uphumelele. Nginezinto engizenzile engangakholwa ukuthi ngingafika kuzo, but ngomusa kaNkulunkulu wokuzehlisa. Mhlambe wena wazi kahle ukuthi saqala eMondlo kwaPelepele ya approve lento into engangiyenza ukudlala ikeyboard, ngihambe amazwe eKenya, Tanzania, Nigeria kuphi ngekeyboard nje qha. So engakusho kubona abazehlise befunda ukuhlonipha mase enkonzweni phela akenze lokho abizelwe khona enkonzweni because ubizo lwakhe naye.
Awu kunjalo nje ngiyacela before sihambe bafowethu ngiyacela ama social media handles akho.
Usibonga Mtshali on Facebook, on TikTok usibonga konke Mtshali, and also on Instagram usibonga Mtshali.
Bhutusiya nawe kanjani?
Ya ku Facebook siyabonga Nxumalo, ku Instagram @siyabonga Nxumalo, ku TikTok siyabonga Nxumalo 40.
Ibalekile le number yasekugcineni. Thank you so much.